This is Chevrolet Avalanche 2009 model. The customer called me for some codes writing on the dashboard, so I checked my scanner, and I'm gonna quickly show you the scanner. And I got to see that the oil sensor is bad. This is the scanner I used, Foxwell. So I made order for the sensor. This is the sensor. So this is the sensor I'm about to put in now. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to lose up the sensor, the bad sensor, and then after removing the cover, this is the engine, Chevrolet Avalanche 2009 model. You first of all get your 27 socket spanner. This is 27, I don't know if you can see it clearly, right? It's written on here, 27 spanner with your universal knuckle, then double extension so that your hand could possibly reach it with ease. This is a real bit bigger job than you probably will think, because to reach the sensor is down here. If you look closely, I'm gonna show you that with my hand before. This somewhere behind there's the sensor. Somewhere behind there's the sensor. But I'm gonna quickly hook up my tools and with my ratchet, turn the ratchet anti-clockwise. It's already losing, so I'm gonna put it out. Put out my socket, and then we just my finger unscrew it, and then blah. This is the back sensor. It has 3 pins, and then the one I'm about to put in, the new one, I'll quickly get the new one. So this is the new sensor. It's the same thing with the one I'm about to change, the one I just removed from the engine. It's actually the same thing. I'm gonna show you the old one once more, so you see no difference. 3 pins and just about the same thing. Yeah. So I don't know. Let me climb over into the engine and simply fix the new one back into its position. It's screwed. Yeah, that's it. So to tighten that up, tighten that up. Use your wrench and then turn the wrench to clockwise position. See the turning, the cranking of the ratchet. Yes, that's all about it. So please hit subscribe. This is Mr. Tex Automobiles. Thanks for watching.